Worcester Bosch C1264 error code, fan or air pressure fault. Welcome to BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe. In this video, we're explaining the Worcester Bosch C1264 error code, a fan or air pressure fault that can prevent your boiler from firing up. Let's go over what it means and how BeFix can help. The C1264 fault means the boiler's air pressure switch hasn't detected the right airflow before ignition. The switch works alongside the fan to ensure flue gases are safely expelled before the burner lights. If the system doesn't get the right signal, it shuts down automatically to prevent unsafe combustion. Causes: blocked or restricted flue, the most common cause. Faulty or sticking air pressure switch. Weak fan motor not creating enough pressure difference. Cracked or loose rubber tubes connecting the switch. Or faulty wiring between the fan, switch, and PCB. What you can check: reset the boiler once. 2. Step outside and check that the flue terminal is free from obstructions, no leaves, debris, or bird nests. 3. Avoid blowing into any tubes or opening the boiler case. This is a gas-safe only area. 4. If you've recently had work done near the flue, make sure it hasn't been accidentally blocked. If the C1264 error persists, BeFix engineers can carry out air pressure testing, inspect fan performance, and test the switch for continuity. If the air pressure switch or fan needs replacing, we'll install the correct genuine Worcester Bosch parts and fully safety check your system. Stay safe with BeFix. Reliable, local, gas safe.